Hey guys, welcome back to Glamour Gadgets and Gaming by Leah. It's no secret, Honor today has launched its latest Honor 70 series smartphones. Now, I couldn't attend the launch in London today or tonight even, unfortunately due to personal circumstances, but I do have the beautiful, stunning smartphone, the Honor 70 in front of me. The Pro model will only be for the China market, therefore I have not been given a review unit for that. And yes guys, like the Honor 50 from last year, the Honor 70 also supports Google services, for those of you who don't know. I will link the phone in the description box below for you guys to go and check out in more detail. I do understand that Honor will be offering the Honor Earbuds 3 Pro for absolutely free during the pre-order / launch phase, so do look out for that. I mean, as soon as I have the links available, I will be linking them in the description box below. Now, I received my review unit a couple of days ago, and in this video I'll be sharing a quick what's in the box, specs and features, a quick tour of the phone and my impressions of this really stunning Honor 70 smartphone. Now, I have shared a proper unboxing as per usual on YouTube Shorts and IG Reels for those of you who want to go and check that out, and I have linked it in the description box below too. So in the box we have a USB Type-C cable, a pin for the SIM card tray, and a nice handy silicone case, and a 66-watt supercharged power brick. And ladies and gents, the absolutely gorgeous looking Honor 70 smartphone. I absolutely love the colour, I love the form factor. It's so slim, light and quite stunning, especially in my favourite emerald green colour, which is similar or even the same as what we saw on the Honor 50 smartphone last year. And it also comes in midnight black and crystal silver, depending on the region you live in. Now let me know in the comments which colour you like best. We have a symmetrical slim design with dual curved edge screen, which is absolutely stunning. Measuring at only 7.91mm thin, the Honor 70 weighs at only 178 grams light, and it looks and feels great in the hand. It has an absolutely gorgeous 6.67-inch OLED 58-degree curved punch display with 1.07 billion colours, 100% DCI-P3, HDR10+, PWM 1920Hz in low light environment with 120Hz refresh rate max. We have 4096 brightness levels and 24,000 by 1080 resolution. On the right we have a volume rocker and the power button. On the left we have nothing. At the top we have a single mic. And at the bottom guys, we have the bottom firing speaker, a USB Type-C port, a second mic and the SIM card tray. Now the phone does support 5G and dual nano SIM cards. And under the hood we have the upper mid-range Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G plus 5G 6nm chipset. Now the Nothing Phone 1 team and Honor have chosen the powerful 778G plus chipset. For a mid-range phone, Honor have made a very decent choice. I mean, no doubt the Snapdragon 778G plus is one of the best chipsets for mid-range smartphones and especially for gaming. As for memory guys, we have two options of 8GB RAM plus 128GB ROM, or 8GB RAM and 256GB ROM. And no, we do not have an option for expandable storage. We have a very decent 4800mAh super battery, which can be powered by this in-box 66-watt Honor supercharged power brick. And as for the OS, the Magic UI 6.1 based on Android 12 is beautiful. It's fast, nippy, with lots of fun features and with minimal bloatware. And guys, the moment most of you wait for when it comes to smartphone reviews or videos, the cameras. And on the rear guys, we have a main 54MP super sensing camera with IMX 800 image sensor, a 50MP 122 degrees ultra wide and 2.5cm AF macro camera, and a 2MP depth camera. As for video, it records in 4K 30 frames per second max. Now the cameras do support dual electronic image stabilization. And as for the hole punch selfie camera at the front, it is a 32MP super clear selfie sensor. And if you guys want to see some photo and video camera samples, Antutu Geekbench and speed tests, comparisons, gaming, and an overall detailed test and review video, or anything more specific on this desirable Honor 70 smartphone, do let me know in the comments below, and I'll try my best to bring this for you guys once, of course, the embargo has lifted, which is in around a week or so. So guys, this was a tour of the brand new Honor 70 5G smartphone. What do you think? Are you impressed? Because I am. I mean, I super love the design, the build, the color, the quality and everything. As for the chipset, yes, it's not a flagship, but guys, it is competing with the Nothing Phone 1 for those of you who love that phone. So yeah, I might even do a comparison between the two, who knows. So do stick around on the channel. Of course, if you have any questions, do fire them away in the comment box below. And guys, I really hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Hit that bell icon too. Follow me on Twitter, Facebook and Instagram to be notified of my upcoming videos, giveaways, etc. Until the next one, guys, thank you so much for watching. Take care, stay safe, bye.